Hi guys. Hi. I guess we haven't done a video in a long time. So this is Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving. We're at the campsite. We're going to go ahead and take off half a day. I don't take too many days off. So we're going to go ahead and do cooking with Phil. And what has this Thanksgiving mean to me and all that. So since we're cooking at the campsite and we're here by ourselves, we're going to be cooking ham, canned ham. Yep, we're going to pan fry canned ham. I have no idea how this is going to be. And then, of course, I love mashed potatoes, so we're going to do mashed potatoes as well. We got one skillet, so that's going to be a little bit challenging. So I guess we're going to see how this goes. So I'm going to try to move y'all over this way, show you the thing, and then we'll move it over there. So this is the campsite, guys. We're going to be cooking right there. We'll put up the top to try to block the wind. It's very windy and it is cold as well, so we got a little propane heater running full blast. But this is the campsite. It's actually right on a marina, so it's pretty cool. Only negative thing is the car is way over there. It's a long walk to the vehicle, yeah. So we're gonna set you guys up right here, I think, and then we're gonna open the canned ham and see how this goes. See if we can slice it up and all. So let's open the canned ham. It says it's cooked. You can eat it right out of the can. I guess if we're in a survivor situation, we do have a way to cook, so we're going to attempt that, but it is very windy, so we'll find out exactly how bad this is. Well, it looks like ham. It smells like ham, it doesn't smell like spam. So we're going to probably slice this up like we would like this thing doesn't rotate like it should, but so we're gonna try to probably slice this up like we would spam, I guess. We'll cook it sort of like that, I guess. Why not? All I have is a plastic knife. We really don't have anything, guys. This year is just, as I probably mentioned, this has not been a good year for me. This year is just really about rebuilding life than anything else. Oh. This would be really nice with a real knife, but I guess we're going to get 3 slices out of this thing, hopefully. Yep, so we're going to get 3 slices, but we're not going to be able to put them all like that right now, so let me grab a plate. We're going to have to cook, I guess, 1 or 2 at a time. Okay. So let me start off with just cook 1 at a time, and then let's add a little let's fire up the old stove and see if we're going to be able to operate it or not in this wind. There we go. throw some vegetable into the skillet just a little bit, just to hopefully make sure it doesn't stick. That's the plan anyway. Cooking with Phil, what can we say? I don't know how to cook. I tell you, I actually burnt down a kitchen in Cambodia. Just moved into this house and totally caught the kitchen on fire. Had grease fire, I put water on it. It did not work. I'm sorry for all the wind, guys. We were on the lake, so I don't have the fancy camera equipment needed to take care of that yet. We will work on that. Need one of those microphones with the little fuzzy things on it. So I guess we're gonna throw first a little piece on there. And kind of open the tin full. Blow out. Because the heater may have actually blown out. I guess we're gonna have to rejigger this thing up. I guess the heat's gonna be a problem too. No, I'm gonna try to get this situated. Maybe a little bit more shielded right there, who knows. Let's try that. Let's see if that heat stays on now. Because it is cold, my hands do not work when it gets cold, unfortunately. Okay, we got a little bit too much popping going on. Guess we'll turn down the heat a little bit. Alright, we got the heat going. Turn down the heat, we'll see if that stops popping as much as it's popping. I do got the tin full already. We bought a couple of pans at the Dollar Tree. I don't know why. It's not like I'm having company over or anything like that, but whatever. It's like I don't want you opening these pans. Come on, separate. Alright. The pans are separated. Good. Alright. So what was I going to say? So, let's see guys. So we've traveled, what, 40 states so far this year during DoorDash. We're here in DFW. We stopped here for about 2 months. We got another month and a few extra days here. We stopped in DFW to pay off some debt. I'm not traveling, I'm saving more money, so we're trying to pay off some bills. That we would be in much better position next year for the big adventures coming up. We got 10 more states remaining, but of course if you're watching my channel you may realize that's not my only goal. Maybe you're one of the new people that's been in the backseat of my vehicle. I do lift on the side. So maybe you're one of those people that's seen me on that. So you do realize that we are going to be... It's windy. So maybe you're one of the new people who subscribe to the channel that met me in the lift. You do realize that my next adventure next year, leaving sometime around October or November, will be for New Orleans. I'll be doing a 1,200 mile kayaking trip, so that's going to be pretty exciting, guys. So definitely want to join me for that adventure as well. This is another adventure on the budget. Is the name of the YouTube channel you're watching right now. So that's really what's going to be happening on this channel in the future. For right now, though, we're going to complete the 50 states. So we got 10 states remaining. In January, we will be heading towards Florida and checking that out as well. So just hang around and wait for this to happen, because this is all going to be happening pretty quickly. Said right now is Thanksgiving, so this year is not really a year for me to celebrate. Did lose my travel trailer and my partner in February of this year, so I lost my travel trailer, lost my truck. So this is a year to rebuild, restart. So we're definitely going to be doing that. So I'm going to continue cooking Thanksgiving dinner here, and check back with you guys in just a few, yeah.